Today is such a beautiful day. Don't you think so, Emma? Yes, it is indeed, Mel. The last few days have been so hot. But today is nice. I know, right? I couldn't even go outside yesterday. Today, the sky is so clear, and the wind is cool. Oh, I especially love the summer breeze. It feels so good to be outside. I have an idea. Why don't we go on a picnic today? A picnic? Are you sure? Yes. Why not? We can invite Brad and his sister, Layla, as well. That sounds good, but do we have a car? I can borrow my dad's. I'm sure he doesn't mind. Have you got your driver's license yet? Yes, I actually have. I passed the test last month. And you didn't tell me? That's amazing! Congratulations! Thank you! It's no big deal, really. It wasn't that hard. Right. Should I call Brad now, or do you want to do it? You do it. I'll call my dad to ask for the car. Okay. Hey, Brad, do you have any plans for today? No, not yet. Why? Well, Mel and I were just thinking about going on a picnic, since it's so nice outside. Care to join us? Of course. Let's go. Can I bring my sister as well? Funny that you asked. I was about to tell you to invite her, too. Alright. See you guys in about 15 minutes. Cool. See you. Hey, Tom. Are you coming to work today? Of course. Why? Are you calling in sick, Mike? No, I'm not sick. It's just raining really hard where I am now. The road is already flooded. Really? It's not raining here, though. If it's already flooded there, you should probably stay home. It's really dangerous to travel in such weather. Let me wait and see. By the way, what is the weather like at your place? It's gloomy and pretty windy, but I don't think it'll rain. The clouds don't seem that heavy to me. I see. Can you go to work first and tell me what the weather is like at the office? Sure thing. If it rains too hard there, just stay home. You can work online, you know? I know, but there's a really important meeting at the office today, and I don't want to miss it. Anyway, thank you very much. You're welcome, Mike. I'll let you know once I get there. Awesome. I'll be waiting for your call. Hey, Riley, come inside. Oh my God. You have no idea how cold it is outside right now, Ron. I'm freezing. You look really cold. Take a seat. Let me turn on the heater. Thank you. Are you feeling any better? Yes, a little bit. Tell me, how is the weather out there? Oh my God! There is literally a snowstorm outside right now. I almost got blown away by the strong wind. That's scary. I am glad you made it here in time. Yes, me too. What's the temperature, though? I'm not sure, but definitely below 0 degrees Celsius. You should stay here for the night, then. I don't think it's safe for you to travel all the way home right now. Will that be okay? Of course! Don't worry about it. I have a spare bedroom that you can use. Thank you so much. I don't think I can go outside right now either. The snow is getting really heavy. I can see that. Well, let me go get you some warm clothes and a pair of fuzzy socks. I'll be right back. All right. Here you go. If you need anything else, tell me, okay? Sure. Thank you again. No problem. By the way, do you want a cup of hot chocolate to warm up? That would be really nice in this weather. Thanks. A cup of hot chocolate coming right up. Is it really fine for me to stay here for a while, Tyler? Definitely. My entire family is away for work, and I have the whole house for myself at the moment. Don't worry, Nate. Okay, thank you. I just saw on the weather forecast that there would be a huge storm hitting our town, and I just want to be safe. Oh, I heard about it on the news this morning, too. You really should stay inside at times like these. I agree. I'll be heading home as soon as the storm dies down a little bit, though. No worries. You can even sleep here tonight if you want. I don't mind. Oh, thank you. Do you want some snacks? Or a drink? What can I get you? Can I just get a glass of water, please? Of course. Give me a minute. Here is your water, Nate. Thanks. So, did it say how strong the storm was going to be in the forecast? Oh, pretty strong. I think there would be lightning and thunder as well. Oh no! That's dangerous. You should definitely stay here then. Let me go get you a spare mattress. No need, Ty. I can sleep right on this sofa if needed. Are you sure? Of course. Don't worry about me. You have already helped enough. Well, just let me know if I can help with anything else.
Hi. Have you just moved in?
Yeah, I've been here for 3 days. The neighborhood is so nice. So, are you around this area?
Oh, yes. My name is Layla. So nice to meet you.
I'm Mikhail, but you can call me Mike.
How do you spell Mikhail?
It's Mikhail. It's a common Russian name.
Oh, are you from Russia?
Actually, I was born in Russia. Then, when I was 10, my family went to Los Angeles. Los Angeles was too noisy for me. That's why I decided to settle down in this suburban area of Illinois.
Springfield is a perfect place. Everybody's so friendly, and you get a chance to have some fresh air.
That's really nice.
I'm about to go for a walk. Do you want to join?
Sure, I'd love to.
I'll show you some of the places of interest around here. You're definitely going to love them. Come on!
You seem to go jogging frequently in the morning. You even have your sports clothes on.
Of course. Jogging is a part of my morning routine. It improves my health and helps me relax. How about you? Do you often exercise?
Back in LA, I normally went to the gym at 3 p.m., but when I did the office work, I had no time left to exercise too often. That's why my body started to lose shape. Recently, I got a job as a freelance translator. Guess I'll have more time for myself.
That's good for you. And speaking of the gym, there's a small one down Andrews Road. You can go there to work out if you'd like.
Really? Can we go there right now?
Yes, we can. But before that, you need to discover the area around you. I'm sure you're not going to regret it. Here's Jenny Lincoln Park. This is the place where I prefer doing exercises in the morning.
It's so beautiful. What a great place to take little Sammy for a walk.
Who's little Sammy?
Oh, that's my poodle. She's the cutest dog I've ever had.
So, why didn't you bring her with you?
I think she's still not so familiar with our new place. It may take a few more days for her to be completely comfortable with the suburbs.
That's okay. I'm certain she will enjoy playing in this lovely park. Many dog lovers in this area like to bring their pets here in the afternoon.
Anyway, is there any library around? I need to find some materials for my translating work.
Can you see a small house over there? That's the O'Connor's house. They sell books and lend many types of materials, including journals and newspapers. I think it's the place you're looking for.
Thanks. I'll go there tomorrow.
Would you like to have some breakfast, Mike? Walking makes me starve.
I'd love to. I haven't eaten anything this morning.
Great! Let's go to Fawcett Street to get us full. There's a breakfast bar called the City Cafe. I'm craving fresh muffins.
Is it far from here?
Don't worry, it's only 10 minutes walk. I'll show you several other places while we get there. "10 minutes later, in front of the City Cafe.
You didn't tell me there are boat rentals in town.
I didn't know that you're keen on boats. At Lake Springfield Marina, you can rent boats on any day of the week during the summer.
Sweet. I'd like a relaxing boat on the water.
Oh, here we are at the breakfast bar. Shall we come in? Good morning. The City Cafe welcomes you for a fine breakfast. Where should we sit?
How about the table at the corner, over there?
That spot looks just right. Let's go. What would you guys like for breakfast?
Excuse me. Is there a menu at this place? It's the first time I've had a meal here.
Sure. Here you are.
Layla, what's the most famous dish at this bar?
If I were you, I'd have the English muffin with scrambled eggs, bacon, and roasted tomatoes. You can also have classic American pancakes. They normally serve them with maple syrup.
That sounds delicious. Excuse me, can we have an English muffin and American pancakes, please?
Sure, I've got your orders. Your breakfast will arrive in several minutes.
So, tell me, Layla, what do you do?
I'm currently a nurse at St. John's Hospital.
So, that must be a challenging job, right?
Yeah, sometimes I have to work night shifts when there are emergency cases. Apart from that, I love what I'm doing a lot. I get a chance to understand and take care of people's health. What about you, Mike? Why did you switch from office work to freelance translating?
Actually, besides long hours, I find an office job kind of boring. I had to deal with numbers every single day, and the salary was not so good. That was when I made up my mind about quitting the job. After that, a friend of mine in Chicago asked me if I can translate freelance for a company called For the Fit, which exports shoes. After reading the description, I thought it was suitable for me. Therefore, I took on the job and moved here.
You're so brave to make that decision. I wouldn't dare change my job once I've settled down with it.
I guess you have to decide when the opportunity comes to catch it.
Yeah, I couldn't agree more. By the way, how are your pancakes?
They're out of this world. I should come here more often in the future.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. Oh, it's 6:30. I have an appointment with my patient at 7:30. I think I have to leave now. The gym is only a street away from here. You can go to check it out after finishing your breakfast. See you later, Mike.
See you around, Layla. Bye.